sure you go down that aisle there.
What to do what?
Director Dave is giving us instruction.
Good morning, everybody. It's apparently Facebook Live, and I'm being told to do something, and I don't know what I was being told to do.
We'll figure it out.
Well, you think we'll figure it out?
Hopefully.
So, okay, it's always entertaining here. So, it's Facebook Live, and it's the University of Sewing, and Margaret Fetty, and this is Caitlin.
Hello.
And we are here today. We are going to be doing our demo day today. It's really going to be an exciting day. We have got all kinds of beauteous things set up for you guys. You can ask to see and have demonstrated any machine if you want. Not only that, but we are planning some specific demonstrations. I'm going to be doing the gathering foot, the ruffler, the buttonhole foot.
Ooh, I need to watch that.
All kinds of stuff that's really pretty simple, but takes a few minutes to set up and do. And I just realized we didn't set one thing up for the buttonhole foot. I've got to get after. So
I'll try to remember it for you, Margaret.
Thank you. I need
or maybe our Facebook Live people can remember.
There you go. There you go. Okay, we have a giveaway today.
2 giveaways today. So, if you want to enter the giveaway, because I'm going to wait, I'm going to build up suspense. To enter into the giveaway, all you have to do is click share, and then in the comments, write share. Should I wait?
No.
Tell them they have to share before I show it?
Well, it would be nice if you did.
Nah, I'll show it. Okay, so this awesome little 5x5 charm pack. It has 42 pieces in there, 100% cotton by
Benitex.
Is it Benartex?
No, it's not. They don't pronounce the R.
They don't pronounce the R.
Absolutely no idea
Benitex.
why.
Okay, and here on the back you can see some of the really lovely colors that are in there. So again, that's 42 pieces, 5x5 charm pack. And then our other one is Threads Magazine, which Threads Magazine has some really great tips in there, great articles to read.
And our clothing sewers will really enjoy this.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of something for everyone.
Yes. And I know our customer base is starting to branch out. They're not just quilters.
Yeah.
And a lot of you do clothes. A lot of you do embroidery. You're branching into, we have a couple customers that do amazing bags.
Oh my gosh.
So,
yeah.
which is so, I'm not there yet. But
we'll get you there.
The embroidery, we do have some things to talk about that. And so why were we going to go down this lane?
Just to show the sergers.
Okay. All right. So what Dave wants me to do is just point out to you.
They're here, ready.
If you are thinking you want to start to get into clothes, you've heard about sergers, maybe you want to do t-shirt quilts. Do you know that if you do a t-shirt quilt on a serger, you don't need stabilizer? I teach a class on doing t-shirt quilts without stabilizer. We do it all on the serger. You could even come to, as long as you take one of our classes where we do you learn how to use the serger ahead of time, you can come later and come to the t-shirt quilt class.
Oh, yeah.
So right now we have the t-shirt quilt class. We had one scheduled, but we only had one person sign up, and we need to look at who that person was so that we can let her know we've rescheduled it.
All right.
So we need to do that, but we do have the t-shirt quilt class set up for August. If you haven't looked at August's classes yet, please do that. Alice has been working really hard to get new classes on the there's some new embroidery classes that we've never done before. So if you're starting to do embroidery and you want to learn about some of the different things with embroidery, like, did you know you can do embroidery using cross stitch?
No.
You can't. That's kind of cool, huh? So
Very cool.
There's also this stuff called freestanding applique.
Oh.
It's basically an applique piece that's not attached to anything. I had no idea.
So then what would you do with that?
It could be like a mug rug
Okay.
Or something like it essentially could be a patch that you could use, I think.
Ah.
There's some other things I think you could do with that. Apparently it's now the like new kind of shishi thing in the embroidery world.
Shishi thing.
Yeah. So, hey, I want to remind you that
Never know where to go.
oh, it's okay. You're fine. So I want to remind everybody that the OESD products right now are on sale until tomorrow night. Now, I'm just going to tell you that we have tried at least twice to get the coupon code to work.
Oh.
And I haven't had time to sit with our company that supports our website and all that. When you get on the phone with them, you've been around for that.
Yeah.
It kind of takes a couple of hours generally to actually get a hold of someone, and then you have to figure out what the problem is. I have no idea what the problem is. So I would love for you to go on our site, purchase whatever OESD stabilizer stuff you need, or you can go on to OESD's site, but you won't get my discount. The discount I'm offering right now. You can do
for
that.
the Christmas in July.
For the Christmas in July discount
Gotcha.
coupon. So go on to our website, theuniversityofsewing.com, and buy your stabilizer there first. And the idea is, in the comments, you can try the coupon code. It starts with XMAS, and then it's the day of the week. And honestly, I know it ends on the 23rd. I forget what the beginning of this week on Monday, what the date was. Do you remember?
No.
See, I don't.
It's
See,
been a
okay.
blur.
So anyway, go in the comments and just say, Margaret, please apply the coupon discount, and I'll refund your money. It will charge you initially the full amount, but I promise I'll discount the amount.
You'll make good.
I will make good on this, and I apologize
Otherwise,
for
we
the
know
problem.
where to find you.
Well, the really dumb part about all this is that every other coupon's worked.
It's just this one wants to be unique.
Trouble, yes. So anyway, and I can't test the coupon codes until we get to. I cannot test the coupon codes until we are in the coupon code like the ones for next week I can't test until Monday.
Can people demo the Lower Star today?
They can demo the Laura Star today. You can demo anything.
You can come in and demo the front register if you want.
No,
No,
we're not going to let
okay,
them do
no,
that.
never mind.
Okay, so I've been telling you guys about the Christmas fabric, and I told you, there's just no way I can cover them in 1 week. So today we have some new ones. And can you see anything about this that you would?
That I would what?
Well, that's maybe different than.
Well, honestly, my eye immediately goes to the black and white. Because for me, when you think of the holidays and winter and Christmas, you think of blues and reds and greens, but this is like so gorgeous to me. But that's not what you were pointing out,
No,
was it?
I'm actually pointing out that all of these are not what we consider typical Christmas colors.
Yeah.
They're a bit unusual. And I would call these more winter fabrics.
Yes.
So, all of these fabrics that you see right here, every single one of them is included in the Christmas in July sale. So you can get 20% off of them. They're really quite lovely.
Mm-hmm.
Most of them have some sort of little bit of a sparkle to them, but I will let you know there's not a thing coming off on my hands.
Love
so
that.
These fabrics are done very well. We have so many pretty colors here. There's got to be something that would work really well at your house. These would make great napkins, placemats, table runners. I can see Christmas tree skirts.
This is giving me Disney Frozen theme vibes.
There you go.
So you have
There
someone
you
that
go.
loves the movie Frozen. These colors are like...
They're so pretty,
Yeah.
and we've got all these wonderful colors that go with that. So if you've got a granddaughter who's into Frozen, or maybe, who knows, maybe other family members are total Frozen
Disney
freaks.
people.
Disney people. this would be a great group of fabrics to kind of consider. And I wanted to make sure that we got a chance to talk about solstice, because I actually have a wonderful kit for solstice. We have the pattern for winter solstice. So these are all going to be in the latest arrivals. They are going to be in, they are already going to be marked down. You don't have to do anything to go online and
Bless you.
to purchase them. They're all there. There's some really gorgeous stuff. This winter solstice line has the cutest trees in it. I think this is really lovely. I just really enjoy this fabric. It was so pretty. QT Fabrics makes this line, and they just nailed it. It's very, very pretty. It's subtle. It's not an in-your-face kind of fabric. I've already had quite a few people, when they come in and see the quilt, they really like it. It's just very, very lovely. So this is a great one if you are doing something subtle in your home, or maybe you want to give a neat gift as a present for Christmas. I would be really happy to get this quilt for Christmas. So
we have a lot of wonderful patterns and things like that to make those gifts.
One of the things that's really fun and interesting about all this Christmas stuff, I recently saw a couple of things done where they took these kind of fabrics and just did a traditional log cabin with them. Very, very elegant looking. So there's that idea. And I'm going to have to sit down with Alice and find out. One of the things that I saw recently is it looked like somebody was taking and downloading the pictures of their fabric and then just doing a block and showing them.
Oh.
So we have a couple of really cool patterns, like, Christmas tree table runners, things like that. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, if you did these colors right here, these taupes, and just, they're so elegant and beautiful. I mean, how pretty of a Christmas setting could that be? And, depending on which ones you use, they're going to go all the way into almost February.
I was going to say, even New Year's Eve.
Oh, yeah. Very elegant for that. Very, very pretty. So there's a whole bunch of stuff here for you to think about. It's cotton. If you wanted to make a little cute dress for that granddaughter.
I mean, immediately that's what I thought of. She can play Elsa.
So there you go. I love that. I love that. So right now, we are getting ready for the demo day today. We've got the 790 Pro set up. We've got our Yaya Han machine set up. Danielle's going to show how you would take and you would take a design and put it into the machine so that you could actually sew something.
Oh, cool.
So that'll be really neat for the embroidery part of it.
Yeah.
Then Alice is going to be doing some different things on our sergers. And I'm going to do some different things on our general machines, so that you can see all the way from a 475 all the way up to the fancy machines that they do all of this stuff. And I think that sometimes we get stuck in a rut and we just do the same thing. Oh, guess who else is here today?
Me. Who?
Rachel Burke is going to be here, and she's going to show us some stuff on free motion quilting on the long arm.
Ooh.
I've got the Q-Matic set up over, or Q-Magic as some shops call it. Isn't that cute?
I like that.
That's cute, isn't it?
Q-Magic.
Q-Magic on the long arm, and I've got that set up, and I'm going to show some custom quilting tips for people. So there's just all kinds of things we're going to be doing today, and I hope that you will share this information with your friends, because you don't want them to miss out on all the fun.
Yeah.
And, I know, did you see all the things that Dave brought? There's snacks.
I love when there's snacks. These are my favorite days because there's chocolate
and there's drinks and chips and stuff. So come in, take advantage of the sales. enjoy yourself. Come see some of the demos. Everybody's worked really hard on this, and I'd love to see a great turnout for this. Please share it with your friends and the people that you know. And what are they going to get when they share?
Well, they could get, you enter to win either this 5x5 Charm Pack, 42 pieces, lovely colors.
It's their texture line, and we actually have some of those on the floor.
Textures, that's clever.
Isn't it? We have some of those on the floor right now. So
that, or you can get this wonderful Threads magazine.
So this is a previous issue. Don't worry, you'll get a chance for one of the current ones.
They're still great.
Everyone, well, I mean,
not like
I have the entire collection. Did you know I have the entire collection?
Oh my gosh.
Actually, I'm probably missing a couple issues.
We got to find them for you.
Yeah, that'd be really cool. So anyway, I have the whole library, and it's right here at the shop. So if there's ever a one of the issues that you want to see, one of the really cool things is that I also have the flash drive with all the issues on a flash drive so that you can put it in your computer and look at it. They do that. If you ever want to go on Threads Magazine's website, you can get like all the issues in a flash drive. It's really cool.
Wow.
So that's pretty interesting. Okay, everybody.
I just thought of another thing that people never think of demoing, and that's to demo a cabinet. You can sit down, play with it, see if it matches, get the ones that go up and down, all those different things. You can spend time here.
We have a customer who wants to do exactly that, and I need to email her today and
Tell
make
her
sure, because we have all the cabinet sizes now for all the Bernina cabinets. And you know, if you buy a 790 Pro, guess what you'll get off on a cabinet?
What?
You'll get 30% off on a cabinet.
Wow.
And it doesn't have to be a Bernina cabinet. It can be any horn cabinet, and you can get the insert for your machine.
There you go. You can do all of that. And most of the time, depending on how far away it is, most of the time it's free delivery. And that is a $300 value. So don't forget about that.
Is that just to the front door?
No. We put it right where you want it and make sure that you got it set up. And we'll even put the machine inside the cabinet for you. So you don't have to lift it up and put it in there. So
I'm glad we will be doing it.
Well, you know, when we say we, Dave and Aaron are doing that. So thank you, Dave and Aaron, for delivering those. They went to this week, and we had a customer who got a Q20, and she's got it on a 10-foot studio frame, and they made some adjustments. She wanted to add laser lights to it. She wanted to have some things. She had now decided what height she wants, and now there are casters for those Q20s.
So you can move them
except for
about.
the studio frames. Up until BU, there wasn't casters for the studio
Like we
frames.
delivered on the 5-foot to Columbus.
Yes, and we delivered one to Columbus, and that was the 5-foot that we had in here. Somebody bought that from us, and she's now set and ready to go.
Aww, it found a home.
It did, and we actually have
Come
a really
adopt our machine.
we have a really beautiful folding table one that is ready to go home with somebody too. So you know what? If you're looking to buy a long arm and you want to sit down, that's a really nice deal. Really nice deal.
Hey,
Okay.
Caitlin also has to say hello to her mother.
I miss you, Mom. I haven't seen her for like 2 months.
Oh my goodness, that's way too.
She's been having fun up in Minnesota.
Oh, so is she like the cool weather up there? Is that what she
she's
went
like
for?
me. Yeah. We don't like the heat.
Okay, all right. Okay, everybody. Hello from the University of Sewing. We hope to see you very soon, like today, for our big demo day, and we will look forward to talking to you. Next week, we will be here for Facebook Live on Friday, so don't forget to tune in for that. We will show you another thing on the embroidery on the 790. I've got some new things to show you. And then we've got the B79 Yaya Han. We're going to show some of the specialty stitches Yaya designed just for that machine. So I want to make sure you guys know about that. Okay, is there anything I forgot?
Who? I don't know. We were supposed to remember something, though, at the beginning, and I've already forgotten it.
Oh, no. Oh, no. So
I'll watch the recording.
There you go. All right, guys. We will see you hopefully today, but if we don't, we'll see you next Friday for Facebook Live.
Bye.